Hello students, this is my video number 57 and it is based on the chapter of bypass and it is the last class of my in bypass and here there is a very easy method, but although it is not in your course but you can write it in the exam paper because in the instruction it is clearly written that any correct method will award the full marks. So here sine power n means any power, sine power 5, 6, 7, 8, sine any power of sine, there is one formula, any power of cos, any power of tan, any power of cot, any power of sec, any power of cosec, and this is the formula. It is the formula, but I will tell you a method in which you can remember it very easily. First look at this. Sine power n, I am taking it as in. So it is in. The formula is, first remember, look at here properly. It is 1 by sine power n minus 1 cos x. If sine power nx, it is sine power n minus 1 cos x. And it is cos power n minus 1 tan x. And it is 1 by n sine power n minus 1 cos x in sine power n minus 1 x into cos x plus n minus 1 by n. Look at here, I am dividing this and it is plus n minus 1 by n in minus 2. First I will explain one formula, then I will tell you how you can remember all the formulas. Sorry, I misspelled this sin x as tan x, but really it is sin x. Now look at the formula, how I am deriving this one. Now sine power x, sine power n x dx. First break it, sine power n minus 1 x into sine x dx. Now taking sine power n minus 1 x as your first function and sine x as your second function. So what you will do? First integration of second minus derivative of first into integration of second, इसका whole integration dx. Sine power n minus 1 x minus, because why minus? Because sin x integration is minus cos x. So I am writing minus here. Minus sine power n minus 1 cos x. It is due to the integration of sin x is minus cos x. Now look at here. Sin x power n minus 1, in place of sin n minus 1 x I am writing here sin x to the power n minus 1, box to the power n minus 1, its derivative is n minus 1 sin x to the power n minus 2 into derivative of sin x, that is cos x, into what is integration of sin x, that is minus cos x into dx. This is minus, take common plus. It is sin n minus 1 x cos x plus n minus 1 sin power n minus 2 x. It is cos x, If they multiply, it becomes what? Cos square x. It is 1 minus sin square x dx. Now sin power n minus 1 x cos x plus n minus 1 sin power n minus 2 into 1. That is sin power n minus 2 x dx minus plus minus, multiplied it will give you minus n minus 1 coming to this position, sin power n minus 2 into sin square, it is sin power n x dx. Now look at properly. Coming to this position, it is in. In means what? 1 into in. In means 1 into in. Minus, this is written exactly in this place, what is written here? Plus n minus 1, and what is this? Look it properly. If sine power n I am taking it in, repeatedly I am telling you, if sine power n I am taking it in, then sine power n minus 1 integration dx will be in minus 1. Sine power n minus 2 x dx will be in minus 2. Here it is that. Sine power n minus 2, sine power n in. Sin power n minus 2, it is called as in minus 2, and minus n minus 1 sin power n, it is in. Now look at here, one in, where here minus n minus 1 in. coming to this side, it becomes, if this thing will come to this side, it becomes what? 1 plus n minus 1 in is equal to minus sin power n minus 1 x cos x plus n minus 1 I n minus 2. Okay. Now it is 1, it is n minus 1. 1 plus n minus 1, they cancel, it becomes n in. It is n in. N in is equal to minus sin power n minus 1 cos x plus n minus 1 I n minus 2. It is now n in. What is my exact in? If I will divide n to each term, then it becomes in. In is equal to minus 1 by n sin power n minus 1 x cos x plus n minus 1 by n I n minus 2. It is written in this form. It is in. In means sin power n. It is minus 1 by n. Minus 1 by n. Sin power n minus 1. Sin power n minus 1 cos x plus n minus 1 by n minus 1 by n I n minus 2. Okay. You should not tell this formula as sin to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1, because I have already taught you in my chapter number 2 that anything to the power n derivative of that thing, then only the formula is box to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1, condition n not equal to minus 1. Here sin x to the power n x, is there any derivative of sin x inside it? No, naturally there is no derivative of sin x. So it will become sin to the power n x dx. The formula will reduce like this. You have to remember. Okay. Now second question can arise in your mind. Why you are taking, sir, this is first function, this is second function, not taking this is first, this is second. Mind it, my dear students. Remember, you have to differentiate a easy thing, but you can differentiate a difficult thing, but you can integrate a easy thing. You have to integrate a easy thing, but you have to differentiate a difficult thing. Sin power n minus 1, sin power n. Which one is easy to differentiate? Easy to differentiate, easy to integrate is sin x. So I am taking sin x as my second function. But it is very easy to integrate, it is very easy to differentiate sin x to the power n minus 1, because it is n minus 1 sin x to the power n minus 2 into cos x. Again I am telling, sin x is very easy to integrate, but sin power n minus 1 is not easy to integrate. Sin to the power n minus 1, this is more powerful than this. So this is easy to differentiate. Okay. Now I am telling you how you can remember these 6 formulas in very easy method. There is one thing, minus, this is plus, minus, minus. Remember, minus, plus, then plus, minus. I am telling it again. First sign, minus, plus. It is a thoda hatke, minus, plus, then plus, minus. Okay. Next, here what is sign? Plus, minus, plus. What is that? Minus, plus, minus. Then it is plus, minus, plus. And again, look at it. Minus, plus. Okay. Then you can write easily minus, plus, then plus, minus. Minus, plus, minus, plus. Okay. Now, the first 4, sin power n minus 1, cos x. Cos power n minus 1, sin x. In first 4 things, I am taking the power as n minus 1. N minus 1. What is that? The first 4 things. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first 4 things as power what? N minus 1. The next 2 things, it is power what? It is power n minus 2. This is n minus 2. This is n minus 2. First 4 things power n minus 1. Last 2 things power n minus 2. First 2 things 1 by n, 1 by n. First 2 things 1 by n, 1 by n. Last 4 things 1 by n minus 1, 1 by n minus 1, 1 by n minus 1, 1 by n minus 1. Look at properly. First power 4 चार पावर पहले n minus 1 है, लास्ट चार का डिनोमिनेटर 1 by n minus 1 है. सो फर्स्ट दोनों का 1 by n है, यहाँ लास्ट दोनों का n minus 2 है. You have to remember this. Again I am telling 1 by n, 1 by n, 1 by n minus 1, 1 by n minus 1, 1 by n minus 1. n minus 1, n minus 1, first चार n minus 1, last दो n minus 2. Here sin cos, cos sin, sin cos, because sin पावर ज्यादा है, so यहाँ sin पावर रहेगा. cos कम है, cos पावर 1. यहाँ cos ज्यादा है, cos पावर n, यहाँ cos पावर n minus 1 sin x. यहाँ tan का क्या होगा, कोई नहीं साथ नहीं रखेगा, tan पावर n minus 1, it is cot पावर n minus 1. देन sec का बात क्या होता है, यहाँ जैसे sin cos रहेगा ऐसे sec का sec tan रहेगा, क्योंकि sec का दोस्त कौन है, tan है. यहाँ sec का पावर n minus 1, n minus 2 tan x, यहाँ cosec का पावर n minus 2 cot x. Then everywhere you see in minus 2, 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 in minus 2. Then what is happening there? Look at here. This here it is n minus 1 by n, n minus 1 by n. It is n minus 1 by n minus 1. What is that? That is 1. It is not written here. N minus 1 by n minus 1. What is that? 1. This is n minus 2 by n minus 1. It is written. N minus 2 by n minus 1. It is written. First of all, you should write 4 to 5 times in your copy. And this is a very helpful problem for the board examinations. Okay? Now look at here. Suppose in examination it is coming sin power 6. What is the integration of sin power 6? So suppose I am taking sin power 6. It is named as what? I6. And it is formula is what? I6. You have to write minus 1 by 6, minus 1 by 6. Then sin power is what? Sin power 6 minus 1, 5x into cos x. Then plus. And this is what? 5 n minus 1 by n. That is 5 by 6. Right here 5 by 6 I4. That is what? When it is 6 in, this is in. Okay. When this is 6 and that is what? That is 4 I4. N minus 1, that is 6 minus 1, 5 by 6 I4. Now tell me, what is I4? I4 is what? Minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4. Sin power what? Sin power. Thoda give a gap here. For what I will tell you. Sin power what? 3x cos x plus. What is that? Give some gap here. It is what? It is, if it is 4, then it is 3 by 4. That is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 I2. Okay. Now look at here. It is what there? It is 5 by 6 there. What you will do? You will do here. You have to multiply a 5 by 6 here. 5 by 6. Here you have to multiply. I am putting in box. It is you have to put 5 by 6. I am taking one box here. And here you have to multiply 5 by 6. That's why I am giving gap. 5 by 6. Now tell me, what is the result? The result is 5 by 6 into 3 by 8. It is what? You cancel. It is 5 by what? 8. Now write here I2. What is I2? I2 is minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, give a gap, then write sin x cos x plus what is n minus 1 by n, that is sin power here 1, that is when you put 2 it is 2 minus 1, that is 1 by 2 I0. What is I0? If in is sin power n, what is I0? Tell me. It is sin power 0 dx. Anything to the power 1, anything to the power 0 is 1. So dx, only integration of dx, that is what? It is sin x to the power 0 dx. It is only integration of dx. So that's why it becomes what? It becomes x. I am writing the cos. Now look at here. It is 5 by 8. Now I am writing 5 by 8 in a box. Into. It is 5 by 8 in a box. And multiplying here 5 by 8, putting in a box. Now look at here. What is my I6? It is minus 1 by 6 sin power 5 x cos x, and it is 5 by 6 I4, and 5 by 6 I4 result is what? You have to write this 5 by 6 I4 minus, it is what? 5 by 24 sin cube cos x, and it is what? It is 5 by 8 I2, and 5 by 8 I2 is what? Minus 5 by 16 sin x cos x plus 5 by 16 x plus c. I am telling it again to you. Suppose sin power 6, it is my question. My solution is, what is the solution? First you have to write this formula, and that is In is equal to sin power n minus 1 by n sin power n minus 1 x cos x n minus 1 by n In minus 2. In place of I6, just put 6 here. What is minus 1 by 6 sin power 5 x cos x plus 5 by 6 I4, putting n is equal to 6 here. Now I4 is coming to your picture. I4, putting n4 there, that is minus 1 by 4 sin q cos x I2 cos x 3 by 4 I2. Next, what is I2? Right there I2. I2 is what? In place of n, you have to put 2, that is minus 1 by 2 sin x cos x 1 by 2 I0. I0 means what? I0 means sin x power whole 0. That is only dx integration. Dx integration is what? You know it is x. That's why I am writing I0 as x. Now here 5 by 6 I4. 5 by 6, you have to multiply 5 by 6 here, here, here. Then the total result is 5 by 8. In place of 5 by 8 I2, here only I2. So multiply 5 by 8, 5 by 8, 5 by 8 to each place. Okay. Now the result you will find I6 is minus 1 by 6 sin power 5 cos x minus 5 by 24 sin qx cos x minus 5 by 16 sin x cos x plus 5 by 16 x plus c. In this manner you can do sin power 8, sin power 10, sin power anything. Okay, sin power odd you can also do. I am doing another example. Now look at sin power 7. It is power odd. That is I7. I7 is what? Sin power 7 integration. I am taking I7. Putting the value of n is equal to 7 in this place. It is minus 1 by 7 sin power 6 cos x. It is plus 6 by 7 I5. What is I5? I5 is minus 1 by 5 sin power 4 cos x plus 4 by 5 I3. Though it is 6 by 7 I5, so multiply 6 by 7, 6 by 7, 6 by 7 in each case. Then what is there? What is I3? I3 is what? Minus 1 by 3 sin square x cos x plus 2 by 3 I1. But what is I1? I1 is sin x integration. Sin x integration minus cos n minus 2. Mind it, here n is always greater than 2. So everywhere you have to apply the formula when the condition n greater than 2. Okay, but here I1, this is 1 not greater than 2, greater than equal to 2. No? So that's why you have to put I1 is integration of sin x, that is minus cos x. Now there is another method I am taking. Now if we add all this will cancel with this will cancel with this, because it is 64 by 35. It is 24 by 35. It is 24 by 35. I3. If they cancel, what is the answer? I7 is equal to addition. Now it is I7 is equal to minus 1 by 7 sin power 6 cos x, minus 6 by 35 sin power 4 cos x, minus 24 by 100, cancel, if they cancel it becomes minus 8 by 35, minus 8 by 35 sin square x cos x, and this is, if they cancel, it is 16 by 35 cos minus cos x. So in place of I am writing this. In this way, you can do all the problems of sin power n, cos power n. Okay. Now I am not going to derive this. You will derive by yourself. Now I will solve tan power n and sec power n. Then after you will do the problems like this manner. Okay. Now look at here. It is tan power n x dx. You have to split this n minus 2 into tan square. You can see this tan power 4, tan power 6 in chapter 3. I have taught you already. It is tan power n minus 1 into this tan square x square x minus 1. Then multiply tan power n minus 2x sec square x dx minus tan power n minus 2x dx. Now it is tan x power n minus 2. What is sec square x dx? It is derivative of tan x. Minus what? This is tan x power n minus 2. So it is I n minus 2. That is tan x to the power n minus 2 d tan x. Okay. जितना to the power n minus 2 उतना डेरिवेटिव ऑफ उतना क्या होगा? tan x to the power n minus 1 x by what? n minus 1 minus what? I n minus 2. This is your formula for tan power n. Tan power n, look at that. It is doing tan power n minus 1 by 1 by n minus 1 minus I n minus 2. Okay. Now I am taking what is the integration of tan to the power 8 dx. That is I8. I8 is what? 1 by 7 tan power 7 minus I6. Applying this minus I6. What is I6? 1 by 5 tan 5 minus I4, because 2 will reduce. 6 minus 4, 6 minus 2, that is 4. And all this formula is applicable for n greater than equal to 1. Okay. Now what is I4? That is 1 by 3 tan q minus I2. And what? I4 1 by 3 tan q minus I2. I2 1 by 1 tan x minus I0. Sorry, it is n greater than equal to 2, not 1. Now look at here. It is minus I6. So what I have to do? Minus. You have to put a minus mark here. Then you have to put minus here. And it becomes what? I4. It becomes plus. And I4, you know this. Now I require minus I2. So I am taking minus. It becomes what? Minus. It becomes what? It becomes what? Plus. Okay. Now you will cancel this. Minus I6, minus I6. I4, I4. Minus I2, minus I2. If they cancel, you get your I8. That is 1 by 7 tan 7 minus 1 by 5 tan 5. Now it is plus 1 by 3 tan 3 minus 1 by 1 tan x plus x plus. That is very interesting formula. Now what is T8? What is sin tan power 8? 1 by 7 tan 7 minus 1 by 5 tan 5 plus 1 by 3 tan cube minus 1 by 1 tan x plus x plus minus plus minus plus minus. And if it is 8, it is 7. If tan 7 by 7, tan 5 by 5, tan 3 by 3, tan 1 by 1 plus x. If someone will ask you what is the integration, I am writing the formula here. It is 1 by 7 tan 7 minus 1 by 5 tan 5 plus 1 by 3 tan cube minus 1 by 1 tan x plus x. It is the direct formula you can do. Okay. Now you can see tan power 7, direct answer 1 by 6 tan power 6 minus 1 by 4 tan power 4, 1 by 2 tan square. Then it is minus ln sec x. How? Remember, I7 1 by 6 tan 6 minus I12. What is I5? It is 1 by 4 tan 4 minus I3. Though minus I3, and I3 is 1 by 2 tan square minus I1, because 2 will reduce from it. 2, 3, 3, 1. Now add minus I3, multiply minus, 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 minus. It becomes plus. And then if you add minus I5 plus I5, minus I5 cancel. It is cancel. It becomes I7 is 1 by 6 tan 6 minus 1 by 4 tan 4 plus 1 by 2 tan square. Okay. Minus ln sec x. This is the answer. Okay. Now I am doing sec power n. It is sec power n minus 2 sec square x. Mind it. Here in power sign you have done like sin power n minus 1 sin x. Here sec power n minus 2 sec square x. In tan power n, it is tan power n minus 2 tan square. Similarly, here sec power n minus 2 sec square x. Treating this is as first function and this is your second function. This is your second and this is your first. Okay. Now what you will do? First integration of second minus derivative first integration second sec power n minus 2. What is integration sec square x? It is tan x minus. What is derivative of sec x to the power n minus 2? That is n minus 2 sec power n minus 3x into derivative of sec x tan x. Integration of sec square x is tan x. Okay. Now it is sec power n minus 2 into tan x minus n minus 2 sec power n minus 3 sec power 1. It is sec power n minus 2. It is tan x. It is sec square x minus 1. Then what you have to do? Sec power n minus 2 into tan x minus n minus 2 sec power n minus 2 into sec square. It is sec power n x dx. Minus minus, it is plus. N minus 2 here sec power n minus 2 x dx. Now it is in. I am writing the 1 into in. Sec power n minus 2x tan x minus n minus 2 in. It is sec power n. I am writing it in plus n minus 2 I what? N minus 2. Taking this in to one side, it becomes 1 plus n minus 2 in is equal to sec power n minus 2 into tan x plus n minus 2 in minus 2. It is now it is what? It is n minus 1 in. So what is in? Dividing 1 by n minus 1, 1 by n minus 1 sec power n minus 2 tan x plus n minus 2 by n minus 1 in minus 2. And here it is your answer. Okay. Now I am question, what is the integration of sec power 5? So I am taking the I5. Now it is I5. It is 1 by 4 sec cube tan x. Then it is this by this. This is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 I cube. What is I cube? It is 1 by 2. Putting n is equal to 3. It is 1 by 2 sec x tan x sec power 1. So it is result is 1 by 2 here. 1 by 2 I1 and I1 means integration of sec x. Integration sec x. Now here what is writing? Multiplying 3 by 4 I3. 3 by 4 multiply here, here, there. Then they will cancel. It becomes I5 is equal to 1 by 4 sec q tan x plus 3 by 8 sec x tan x plus 3 by 8 I1. I1 means ln sec x plus tan x plus c. Okay. It is this reduction formula is important in the sense I am telling. Once in the examination hall, one question is coming sec to the power 5. It was the question before 20 years in a board exam. Okay, what happens there? The question paper was really very tough. In the top paper, there are two integrations. One sec 5, another थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट इंटीग्रेशन. तो बच्चों ने सोचा कि ये सेक 5 का इंटीग्रेशन सबसे मतलब इजी है, तो उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया करने के लिए. तो इसी टाइप का प्रॉब्लम चैप्टर 3 में था. तो बच्चों ने उसको चैप्टर 3 की डेरिवेशन जैसे किया, एक बार क्या काट दिया, दो बार क्या काट दिया, 3 बार, 4 बार, 5 बार, 6 बार, सब तो डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस था. फिर बोर्ड में एक क्वेश्चन लगा दिया जो बच्चों को लगा कि यही सबसे ज्यादा इजी है, तो करा. एक बार क्या, दो बार क्या, 5 बार, 6 बार क्या, तो काट दिया. 2 घंटा बाद गया ठन ठन. तो 37 स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ दैट एग्जामिनेशन हॉल दे फेल डाउन. दो उन्होंने सेंस चला गया, क्योंकि उन till that time they were not able to do even 10 to 20 marks in their paper. In that hall, only one student was there. Only one student was there who read the formula of reduction. That boy has done this formula and secured the highest mark, that is 55.